Good morning everyone. This is your AI acronym individual giving you a verse a day. Ito muna bago ang lahat. From Ezekiel chapter 18 verse 14 to 18, it's all about family. So let's read about the Ezekiel chapter 18 verse 14 to 18. Okay, this is it. But suppose this person has a son. The son sees all the sins that his father does. He is afraid, so he doesn't do such things. He doesn't eat all the illegal he doesn't eat at the illegal mountain worship sites or look for help from the idols of the nation of Israel. He doesn't dishonor his neighbor's wife. He doesn't oppress anyone. He doesn't keep the security for a loan. He doesn't rob anyone. He gives food to people who are hungry, and he gives clothes to those who are naked. He refuses to hurt the poor. He doesn't change interests or make excessive profits. He obeys my rules and lives by my laws. He won't die for his father's sins. He will certainly live, but his father has oppressed others, robbed his relative, and done what is wrong among his people. So the father will die because of his sin. So let us read the topic about family. Living in a family with parents who aren't believers can be a constant source of tension. How do you tell your parents they need God? What should you do when you don't approve of their decisions and lifestyles? These are the same kinds of questions God asked Ezekiel. God wanted Ezekiel to know that he understood the tension of people trying to live God pleasing lives in ungodly homes. What kinds of questions do you have to God about your family? Find some comfort and answers in Ezekiel chapter 18, verse 14 to 18. Actually, um, nakakalungkot po minsan kasi ikaw na o isa man sa miyembro ng pamilya ay believer and then the rest hindi. Gusto mo lahat maging believer, di ba? So what is important, you encourage them, taniman mo po sila, hikayatin mo sila, and then later on marirealize nila at makikita sa gawa mo yon. When they see that you are doing well in the grace of the Lord, sa pasakan ba't magigising din sila in God's perfect time. Pero wag po kayong manawa, wag po kayong tumigil na sila ay hikayatin na maniwala at magtiwala sa ating Panginoon. Kasi nga the second coming is malapit na. To God be the glory. This is your AI giving you a